So, today's story is about this one Mr. Lion who is the king of the jungle. And this lion every day used to go out from his den and go and eat up different animals. Some days when he was not hungry, he would still kill the animal and keep the animal with him to eat on the next day. And next day again he would go and he would kill animals, small, big, all the animals were slowly getting killed by the lion. So all the animals were very worried. They were also very scared and they were sad that their friends are being killed by the lion for no reason. Lion cannot be so hungry all the time to eat so many animals. So all the animals had a meeting and they said, we need to do something about this. We need to think and go and tell the lion that every day one animal will come to you. What did they say? Every day one animal will come to you. And you be happy sitting in your den and you wait for the animal and you eat that animal. So the lion said, are you sure? If on a day no animal comes, I will come and I will take away 10 animals. So the animal said, no, you will not have to do that. We promise you that every day one animal will come to you for sure and it will be enough for your food. So the lion was very happy. Lion said, wow, this is the best possible thing that can happen because I will not have to go out to hunt. I can just sit, relax and enjoy. The animal will come and I will eat up the animal. So lion was very happy with this arrangement. Every day different animals were coming to him. There was one rabbit who was very smart. The rabbit was trying to think of some way in which they can save themselves from the lion. So it was on the day when it was the rabbit's turn, rabbit was thinking. And rabbit came up with a great plan. So rabbit slowly, very slowly started going towards the lion. The lion was getting hungry because it was past his lunchtime. And lion was looking that why today no animal has yet come for me. And Rabbit Bhaiya was coming slowly as if going for a walk in the garden. And after some time, the lion saw the rabbit. And lion said, hey rabbit, you are walking so slowly. I am very hungry. Why are you taking so much time? The rabbit said, lion, I am very scared. Lion said, for what are you very scared? So you have come so late and such a tiny rabbit. How will my tummy get full? Rabbit said, you know what, Mr. Lion? When I was coming to you, I was not alone. I had been sent with 3 more rabbits. Lion said, 3 more rabbits? Where are those other rabbits? So rabbit said, you know what? When we were walking, there was another lion. And that lion caught hold of my friends and ate them up. Somehow I managed to escape and come to you. So a lion said, oh, so there is another lion. That other lion has eaten up my share of the food. Where is this lion, rabbit? Rabbit said, that lion is in the well over there, little far away from your lion. Mr. Lion said, oh, will you check me? I will show that I am the best lion. I am very powerful. There is no other king of the jungle. I am the king. So rabbit said, yes, I will take you. You can come with me. And then once you fight with that other lion, you can then eat me up. Mr. Lion said, yes, that's like a plan. It's a very good idea. So Rabbit slowly started walking. Lion was going behind. And Rabbit went. And where did the rabbit take Mr. Lion? Rabbit took Mr. Lion to a well which was filled with water. And when the lion looked inside, as the rabbit told him to look, what did he see? He saw a reflection of a lion. Like how when you look into a mirror, what do you see? You see yourself, right? In the same way, when the lion looked into the water, he saw himself. But lion's brains had gone away somewhere. So when he looked inside, he thought that it was another lion looking at him. So he was very angry. He said, oh, this rabbit was speaking the truth. So he told the lion, hey lion, you come out. And when he said that, the same voice came out to him, hey lion. Oh, so this lion said, this lion inside has a lot of power. He said, I want to fight with you. From inside the voice came out, I want to fight with you. Roar! Roar! So our lion was very angry. He said, oh, this lion is not coming out. I am going to jump inside. So our lion jumped inside. Was there a lion inside? There was no lion inside. But the well was full of water. And the lion went inside and he realized that he was not able to come out. He went down deep and he was just not able to come out. Rabbit was looking from a little far away shrub and he saw that lion has jumped inside the well and is now not able to come out. So Rabbit was very happy and quickly, fast ran and told all the other friends of the jungle that now we all are safe. Nothing is going to happen to us because lion has gone into the well and he will never be able to come out. So all the jungle friends were very happy. They gave Rabbit a big hug and they said, thank you, Rabbit. You used your brains and you saved us.